What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about tuples. And before we get started, I'm gonna ask that you guys subscribe and smash the like button for this YouTube channel. Because if you really like my content and I post weekly, it really helps out the channel to grow and to get to more people. So now let's get right into it. So like in the previous tutorial, we learned about lists. And a list is basically a variable we can set, or like a name. Here we can say color is equal to the square brackets, and we put whatever items we want inside the list inside the square brackets. That's just the review. So now let's talk about tuples. Tuples are similar to lists. They're basically, you have a name of the tuple and then you have the equal sign. But instead of square brackets, you put round brackets here. And like a list, we can put items inside of the round brackets. And they can also be of different data types. So here we could put blue. We can put a comma because we have to separate every item by a comma. We could also put red, and then we can put green here. We could also put like 3, 3.5, and like 4. But since this is a tuple about colors, we'll just stick to colors for now. And now we can save this, and we can also then print out color, and then we can run it here. So we can do Python 3 tutorial 11.py, and when we run this here, we should see it print out this tuple here. Let's give it a second. Should be loading, and there we go. Here we see that it printed out blue, comma red, comma green, which is our tuple. And let's say we want to access individual items here. We can also use indexing. So similar to lists, we would do color, put the square brackets, and let's say we want to get red. We'll put 1. And we'll save this, and we can run it again. And it prints out red. But one important thing about tuples is that you cannot change them. They're called immutable data types, which means you cannot change the data type or like change the stuff inside of this tuple. So that means you cannot add items or remove items or change items inside this tuple. So this is a short video, but thanks for watching, and once again, please subscribe and smash the like button. See ya.